Advantage Plus valve replacement. Tools needed: screwdriver, replacement valve, Advantage Plus system. Ensure the Advantage Plus system is off by clicking the release button. Loosen the screw beneath the bottle carriage and remove the bottom section of the carriage. Detach the inner tube from the serrated nozzle. Loosen the inner screw. Slide the collar down. Remove the old valve. Insert the new valve with the short tube closer to the bottom carriage. Slide the collar up to secure the valve. Insert inner screw and tighten to secure the valve. Connect the short side of the tube to the serrated nozzle. Slide the bottom section of the carriage back on the handle, threading the handle through the largest hole and the tubing through the smaller hole. Insert the bottom carriage screw and tighten it. Remember to flush the system with warm water after each use to prevent clogging. Remove the bottle by pulling upward. Do not remove the bottle by pulling outward, as this would break the bottle carriage. Attach the pad with the system right side up. Do not turn the system upside down to attach the pad, as this could potentially damage the release button. Thank you for watching. For more how-to videos, please visit odellcorp.com.